Okay, I want to say congratulations to Sundowns for winning izolo go 3-0. So into engayisho nje ukuthi until ugibela ibhasi uya emsebenzini ekseni kugcwele abantu abathanda ibhola noma babalandeli bebhola. Awu understand ukuthi Sundowns iyisinengiso kangakanani ukuthi inesidina kangakanani kubathandi bebhola abaningi abanamaqembu aseyinhliziyweni zabo noma sondelene kakhulu nenhliziyo zabo. Angalitholi ithuba lo win Betway Premiership simply because Sundowns has been dominant for how many years? For 8 years, for 10 seasons now, for almost 10 seasons now. Until ugibela ibhasi you do not understand pain it creates with Sundowns every time you win. But ngilana ngizothi congratulations to them. I think Chippa could have done better kuleya game, knowing ukuthi uWilliams akekho and ugoalkeeper bekhona izolo is a good goalkeeper, is a good shot stopper, uDennis Onyango, but akekho mnandi enyaweni. Since Sundowns built up from a back using ugoalkeeper as a goalkeeper sweeper odlalisa ama defender uqala build up, I thought Chippa United was going to capitalize on that, yet they tried. Kade ku-2-0 score uMartins uke wathola i-chance but I missed. So but enye yezinto lezi bekufanele ngabe bacapitalize kuzona as be-approach Sundowns izolo benze sure ukuthi high press yabo i-on point ngaso sonke isikhathi, because once ba-build up let's send iball then bazo-break-eka for sure. Hence ubonile la goal lishawo uMaseko, beautiful goal by the way, beautiful goal. Nalawa amanye ke amagoli ke I won't dwell too much kulawa amanye amagoli, but enye detail ekhona lapha ukuthi kubuya ngathi uKhadoso uyamthanda kakhulu Arthur Sales, and kubuya sengathi uArthur Sales usethanda ukujela neteam simply because uyawathola ama minute kwi game, so uyambona ukuthi he's gravitating towards Style Sundowns and usewumdlalo oba ne-impact as lola hlobo le-striker ayisona. Hopefully ke khona iKhadoso into ayishintshayo lapha kuSundowns eza nayo kancane, but into enhle ukuthi umaintain umgqiqo wama result, because kuSundowns kune culture yokuthi bayawina and they dominate. So nje for that congratulations to them. Kusela ama games ambalwa until officially bayiwin iBetway Premiership, but it's obvious ukuthi ngeke basavembeka igame mhlawumbe ngase banika inkinga iyodwa kuphela leya Sunday kuma fixtures alandelayo mhlawumbe le Stellenbosch, because Stellenbosch is another formidable team. uSteve Barker lapha wenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu. Uyabuka nje ekuphumeni kaJaden Adams, uDino van Rooyen, no Ikram Reyners ukuthi khona abanye abantu abafake lapha abaslotha in and the team continue ya functiona njengoba kade functiona. So that is the power of creating a foundation ne structure as strong for i-team yakho, i-identity ye-team ne-philosophy ya-coach uyayibona ukuthi strong enough ukuthi noma ngingafakwa nombani kusuka umdlalo kuthiwa umdlalo oshisayo kufaka omunye umdlalo kade engaziwa afika functiona because i-structure si-formidable, si-strong, i-base yakhona i-strong enough ukuthi ingadominate noma ubani futhi ingacrusha noma ubani okhona phambi kwayo ngaleso sikhathi. Congratulations to Sundowns. Once again, that's what I wanted to say. I will see you tomorrow. Sesikhuluma ngendaba ye-derby yange weekend na after i-derby over the weekend. Hopefully amakhosi amahle azojabula. I wish ukuthi azojabula kodwa ngiboni kahle uJose unzima kakhulu bafethu. Bye bye.